Okay, now I'm going to replace my spark plug on my Toro. So your spark plug is right over your head here, and this is what's kind of goes over your spark plug. So what I did is I took a pliers and you grab onto it right here. Don't pinch it too hard, and you just kind of pull it out straight. So that's all I did. I used the pliers. Then I'm going to use the spark plug they call for, which is a BPR6ES. So then I'm going to use this spark plug wrench, which is a 3/16 or a 21 millimeter. I'm going to get an extension. And I'm going to back it out. I'm going to go counterclockwise when I get this out. Once it's loose, it should just unscrew out. There we go. So that's the spark plug I'm taking out. And if you have a spark plug wrench, it should have a rubber fitting in there that holds in there nicely. And you should always hand tighten your spark plug all the way down to the block, because if it's not going right away, do not force it. You could strip out your threads. And I just give it a hand tighten, not too tight. There we go. And then you just plug this back in. There, done. I have an oil change video on this Toro. Check that link out, and I have a full video of this in action. Here's the spark plug number. Let's see if it focuses in on that.